Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Wells Fargo to PNC Bank in 2025. With the latest updates in banking apps, transferring money between banks has never been simpler. Whether you're splitting bills with a friend or moving funds for a big purchase, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app or website ready. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the option for External Transfer or Transfer to another bank. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, including the PNC bank account number, routing number, and the account holder's name. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups, nothing worse than a delayed transfer. Now, specify the amount you want to send and choose the transfer date. Wells Fargo often offers same-day options, but keep in mind that for 2025, they might have faster processing times with their updated systems. Review the transaction summary, including any potential fees. Typically, these range from $3 to $30 depending on the method. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Once approved, your money should be on its way. Transfers to PNC Bank usually take 1 to 3 business days, but always check the status in your account history. A quick tip: if you're new to this, verify your PNC account details in advance to prevent errors. Also, for larger amounts, consider using wire transfers for added security, though they might cost more. And remember, always use a secure Wi-Fi connection to protect your info. There you have it. That's how you send money from Wells Fargo to PNC Bank in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.